Hi viewers, welcome to Pebbles. Today I am going to show you how to make a designer earring using pearls, eye pins and head pins. Let's start. Take a eye pin, insert small size pearl, 5 pearls, after inserting 5 pearls, cut the extra pin and make a loop on other side. And now first I have inserted 5 pearls on the first eye pin. Take another eye pin now. Insert 1 pearl and cut the extra pin. Make a loop at the top. And this we are going to insert on one side of our eye pin pearls. Now again take another eye pin and insert 4 pearls, 5 then 4. Cut the extra pin, make a loop. Now again take a eye pin and insert pearls. Again 4 pearls, make a loop similarly. Now I have made 1 5 pearls, then 2 4 pearls. Then now insert a 1 pearl at one end of a eye pin like this. Insert similarly on all the sides. Insert similarly on all the eye pins we have made. Open a loop on one side and insert a pearl. And now take another eye pin and insert 3 pearls. Similarly, cut the extra pin, make a loop. And now for this I have inserted 1 pearl. Now take a eye pin and insert one by one. Like this. Insert one by one. In between the eye pins we made, insert 1 pearl like this. Alternatively I have inserted, cut the extra pin, 1 pearl. After cutting the extra pin, make a loop on the other side. Now take a L'Oreal chain. Now we are going to insert on both the sides like this. Open and insert, then close the loop. Again similarly on the other side. Open, insert a chain. After inserting, close the loop tightly. And after inserting, make a chain out at the top like this. And now take a hook, open a loop at the tip and insert the tip of a chain like this into a hook and close the loop now. tightly. And now our earring is ready. Very easy one. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Pebbles.